What's up? It's your girl Ashanti. Officially checking in. Today I'm going to talk about, well, right now at this moment in time, I'm going to talk about females. And like, this song came on, I put it on pause so I can make the video. So, who is this? Aaliyah? If your girl only knew. I mean, like, y'all should go listen to the song because I don't know if you can really hear it well with me or whatever. But, okay, today on Twitter, one of my friends retweeted a girl and she was like something about females being thirsty and that the females need to respect the relationship. Okay, first of all, yes, if a female knows that you and a guy are in a relationship, I think she should respect it. But females, you cannot blame these females because you do not know what your man is telling them. You don't know. You know what I'm saying? And you can't really be mad. And like people used to be like, oh, why you get so mad or whatever, but I mean it's because you can't get mad at a female because your man cheating. That's his fault. It's not their fault. But I mean, I don't understand why females want to fight over guys for what? Either they're gonna be there or they're not, and that's it. Like it's not a big deal. It's just you need to know your place, whatever. And it's not your place to address another female. You need to address your man because it's your man, quote unquote. So that means you need to take care of it. I mean, you can't. I just don't understand. Like, you know your man a lot of you. So what make you think he won't lie to another female? What make you think he won't say, "Oh, I'm not with her," or whatever? Guys will say anything. They will put you down just to try to be with another female. They'll do anything. All guys not like that, but most of them are. You can't just assume that it's always the female. You can't always, oh, I'm gonna trust my man. I'm gonna trust my man. Especially when you done went through more than one female. You done went through two, three, four different females, and you steady talking about these girls thirsty. Yo, nigga thirsty. That's what's thirsty, yo, nigga. I mean, females, y'all just need to get together, man, because like it's really just a disgrace to be honest. And people say I'm crazy, but I mean, hey, it is what it is to me. And if I think my man trying to be with somebody else, I ain't got nothing to do with her. Because guess what? He telling her whatever he want to tell her. He about doing the same thing with her that he do with me. It ain't no different. Guys not smart enough to try to do something different, to try to be whatever. That's why they always get caught. And y'all dumb females continue to take them back. Continue. It depends on the situation. That's what I'm saying. Depends on the situation. But Aaliyah just said, if y'all only knew what he was saying, some of y'all females know what they say to the females, and y'all still stay. Please stop.